Just got back from Connecticut from buying a 1984 Cutlass Supreme 4-door. It took about 2 hours and 10 minutes to get back from Connecticut, but it made it. It's finally got me another Cutlass after 10, 11 years since I had my last one. This one got leather seats. Never had one with leather seats. I only seen a couple with leather seats. But 40,000 miles, the guy said 40,000 miles. No rust under the car. Dashboard, no cracks. It needs a headliner. It needs the vinyl roof. I don't know if I'm gonna put vinyl or a rag up there, but it needs paint too. The paint's all cracked up, but got a little dent in the rear end. Nothing big, but hopefully it will be done soon. Yeah. What's up? It's another cold, rainy day in Rhode Island. Today I want to take that back seat out and try to make the board for the speakers. I'm gonna put 210s, 212s, and 215s in the back. So far, I got the radio in since the last video, and I put the steering wheel in. I'm gonna have to take the steering wheel back off because it's not straight when I'm driving straight, so I gotta move it over a little bit. It's no big deal, but that's what I'm doing today. It's a cold, rainy day, so I'm stuck in the car for today. Well, so far I got one board in. It's getting late. I gotta go to work. This is how it looks so far. Got the wheel in. I forgot to show you guys that. The radio. But yeah, it's getting late. I gotta go to work soon, so it's time to wrap it up. I'll try to put the other board in tomorrow. Till then. It's getting dark out here. I just finished cutting the metal and putting the board in. I got one screw in there. I need some long screws. I'm gonna have to go pick those up tomorrow. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look. I got the 15 holes right here. I didn't cut them all yet. But yeah, I'm going in for the night. I'm done for today. Decided today I'm gonna try to buff the car out, make it look a little better. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to work with me, try to buff it out. I'm at Sonic right now on the way to work. That's what I usually do on Sundays. But yeah, hopefully this car looks a little bit better until I get it painted. But till then, it's a Sunday. I decided to take the car with me to work or try to buff it out, make it look a little better until I get it painted. I forgot to show you guys the back seat. I know there's a lot of stuff back there. I'm on my way to work, but it came out good. All the speakers fit right. Like I said, I'll try to buff this car out, make it look better. I'll show you how it came out when I'm finished. Yeah, here it is. I know I didn't let you guys see it before. Forgot all about it. You seen the inside, but you see the outside. My four-door 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Broham. I washed it, tried to buff it out, but I don't know what I'm doing. You see that right there? I'm just gonna have to get somebody else to do it. Try to make it all shiny. It's a lot of spots in the hood too. Try to get it like this without the spots. But the car needs paint. I just want to make it look good until I get it painted. Look better until I get it painted. Needs paint. Needs the top. Top's all cracked up. It needs the emblem for the hubcap. It needs catback exhaust, shocks and springs. I gotta put an alarm on it, and a tune-up. Plugs, wires, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor. I put a fuel filter in it already. Yeah, that's about it. This is the only bad part about the car right here. Look like somebody scraped against something. But yeah, I'm working on it. Slowly but surely it will get done. I just finished putting new rear coil springs in the car. The car is lifted up now, better than it was. It was really low. Yeah, but I'm happy with how it came out. Got to do the front, but I had to do the back really bad. It was really low in the back. But yeah, it came out good. It's been a couple days now. I ordered the catback exhaust system. I ordered an alarm, but I'm gonna try to put the alarm in myself. I never did it before. I'm gonna see how that goes. I should be able to do it. It doesn't seem that hard. So I ordered that. It should be here soon. I'm not gonna do that video. That'll probably be the video after the catback exhaust system. I ordered the catback exhaust system. So far I got the muffler and the tailpipe. I'm waiting for I think they call it the resonator pipe. It's the long pipe that goes from the cat to the muffler. I'm waiting for that to come in. It was delayed for some reason. But yeah, I'm just waiting for parts to come in. When it does come in the next video, that will be my next video. I'm gonna show you guys how he does that. If he lets me, who knows? I'm gonna ask him, but yeah, hopefully we can get video of him installing that, and I can get this car quieter than it is. It's not really loud. I can hear it because I know it's not supposed to sound like that, but yeah, it's nothing crazy. Till then, next video, catback exhaust system.